Hello, cartoon bus collectors, which are very few and far between, I imagine, but I'm one of them. And so this is a Choro-Q, and this is a Yokohama City loop bus called the Akai Kutsu, I believe. Let me check that out, actually. Well, it's close. It's the Akai Kutsu bus. And so it's basically a cheap alternative to go see the sights in Yokohama. Alright, so this packaging says 2005, just some cardboard here. That's what the real bus looks like. And then this is the actual loop that goes around to all the different sites in Yokohama. Alright, not that I could read any of that. So this bus looks larger than normal ChoroQ buses, but let's take a look at these photographs. And it's pretty close. Alright, you got this little central light on the top, the green license plate, and that actually is the matching license plate for that bus. I don't know if there's only one bus or multiples, but all three of these images have the same license plate as this ChoroQ. It's 1-150 or whatever. So this side has the doors. So it's essentially a modern bus that looks retro, which is kind of interesting. So yeah, most ChoroQs don't have this much of an overhang, so front and rear, so that's why it looks a lot longer than usual. All these tampo print are nice. No stickers, I don't think, on this one. Unless, is this a sticker? No, that's printed, so that's nice. Going to the front, the headlights have the clear plastic like the windows, same with this thing. And the rest is just painted well, so I guess that's clear as well. License plate looks good. Some grill here, but I guess the open air passes through there on the real thing. Maybe some black paint would be good there. That must be the route, and I think that also is a tampo. I don't see an edge for a sticker. This side, no doors, well, emergency escape doors, and then some Japanese text. It has the standard 5 spokes from ChoroQ, but in this case they're actually molded red. You can see some seats, and I guess that's a steering wheel there. The seats are really tall in the back there. Then the back, they left this blank, so you can see the license plate, and then the lights are all tampo printed on. Same with this thing. Maybe that's a camera on the real one. And then some air conditioning units here, and then just a styling thing, I think. Makes it look like an old school bus. This thing up there. Or it makes it look like a train trolley. I think that's what they were going for. Alright, on the bottom it says 2005. Screw in the front, and then a tab in the rear as usual. And then there's a spring motor. In this case you can really see it winding up. Oh, I think that thing would still go pretty fast. So, pretty neat. There's a lot of detail on this one. A lot of molded detail on the front and the top. And then a lot of printed detail on the sides and the back. Alright. Let's take a look at some other ChoroQ buses. I'm starting to get quite a collection of the old retro looking ones. First of which would be, today we got this Onsen bus. It's like a hot springs bus. Here's the Kobe City Loop bus. So Kobe, different part of Japan. It's a modern bus again, designed to look retro. It's got that whole top boxiness to it to look like a tram. And this Kanagawa City Loop bus looks pretty old school, but I'm sure it's modern. Then there's a Netherlands recreation in, I think it was Nagasaki, and so that's what this taxi bus is, running around that Netherlands area of Japan. So those are all like modern buses that look old, except for this one. This might actually be an old van. It might not even be a bus. I can't find any information on what it is. Alright, let's let this guy spin on its own. But you can see lengthwise, actually, once again, how much longer it is than the other Choro-Qs. So it's significantly different in size. Rolling models. Not a fan of rolling models because of that. Granted, I guess this isn't a rolling model, it's a rolling toy. Alright, well, let's get a cartoon figure up on this guy. This guy's a little red, so you know what? We're just gonna pull out Santa Claus because who doesn't like the Christmas season with his reindeer friend? Seems to have the same livery, you know, the same color scheme of a tan, brown, and red and stuff. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to keep an eye out for some more of these retro-styled buses. And hopefully you'll see those reviews to come. Thanks again. Bye.